2 hours away.
2 hours, just over 2 hours, yep.
From Dubai.
Yep.
And just having our breakfast.
I'm waiting for mine still.
Oh, well, I'm privileged.
Pre-ordered yours. Yes.
And I think it's 9:30 Sydney time. And
Yes.
Yeah. So and Dubai's 6 hours behind.
Yes.
So a couple hours to go for our first stop.
You had a bit of sleep as well. Which is
Had
nice.
some sleep. We've had some turbulence. We've had it all. See you soon. How are you feeling after your 14.5-hour flight?
I'm a bit weary, but I've had about 5 hours sleep and I've got a coffee in Dubai.
Cool. So we're just at our stopover in Dubai and not even in Rome yet. And I'm sure most of you know this famous sandwich shop. Just admiring these lounge chairs, so when you get off a long flight here at Dubai, you can stretch your legs. So this part here's the exciting leg.
We're about to get on the flight to Rome from Dubai.
We'll be home soon. And we made it to Rome.
Woo, yeah.
Now we just got to hopefully find Michael's luggage.
My luggage.
So it was the first time we didn't have to get.
The bus at
Yes,
the
we
terminal.
didn't get off at the tarmac and walk to the bus and then get a train to the terminal. It took us right to the gate. And now we're just going through the passports and we have our European passports. So we'll be going through the European passports and we go straight through. So you just follow this line here and everyone else follows the orange line. And just like that, we're out in less than 5 minutes. But today we have to go get Michael's baggage. So let's see, fingers crossed that the drone is okay. Michael waiting patiently, and it looks like he's got his bag. He was a little bit worried there. Are we happy now, baby?
Let's play this joint.
5 minutes to get off the plane, 15 minutes to get his bag.
Yeah.
So these are all your options when you get to the airport to get into the historic centre or where you're staying. There's plenty of different options. and see the cobblestone streets. So we have arrived. We just got told we got an upgrade. And what's the name of this place?
59 steps.
59 steps. And why is it called 59 steps?
Well, I think it's 59 steps to the Trevi Fountain.
Yes.
This is the end of the street, I think.
So this is just like the entrance. It has a little lounge here. You can't hear anything because of the double glazed windows.
Oh, there you go.
Listen to that noise now. Just got a glimpse of that helicopter. And this is our bedroom. Those double glazed windows
They
are
work well, don't they?
amazing. So this is our bedroom, and I've got to start with the beautiful ceiling in here. Just gorgeous. So we are in the historic centre in a historic building, and this is our very ultra modern bed. Check out these lights. We do have a fridge and a safe and somewhere to hang our clothes, and this is our shower. Right behind the bed.
Yeah.
And right next to it we have our toilet. So it's quite a beautiful Airbnb. And outside here is the vanity. And that's us. After 24 hours of travelling,
Yep.
I can't believe it.
You might have to
We
freshen
made
up and
it.
go exploring, eh?
Yes, because we've got Il Forno one step away from our front door. So,
Yes.
yes, we've got to try something straight away, we've been told. We've got lots of windows here. We've got this cute little chair.
Oh, that's very low. That's your
Yeah,
size, I
that's
think.
my chair, that
Wow.
one. And lovely artwork. So the bags, well, Michael's bag made it, seeing it end up being checked in.
Oh, I better check drone.
But we haven't checked the drone, so we have to make sure now. I'm surprised he hasn't opened the bag yet to see if the drone's working. So let's see how we go. All right, where did you pack it?
Underneath.
In the middle of everything?
T-shirts, I'll put that there on that side.
Okay. They do have a habit of throwing luggage around, especially when it's only small. And the verdict, it
Good
looks
to me.
okay.
I'll
Looks
just
all
put
right.
the battery back on, actually, before I forget.
Yes, because that was the whole problem. Some ruling that we have
Lithium
with
batteries.
Emirates. You had to take the lithium battery and had to be separately stowed away. So one had to be checked in, and the other was just placed in the carry-on. Yeah. All right, well, obviously we'll try it out in the next few days, but Michael's happy now.
Let me open it. Make sure he's still talking to me.
Oh, okay. Just.
Yep.
All right. Well, that's good news. Thumbs
All
up.
good.
All right. Time to walk the streets of Rome. At the Trevi Fountain, post gelato. Yep, it's already melting. And being in Rome, $3.50,
$3.50 each.
Each.
€7.
and it is packed here. It's packed. We don't know whether we're going to queue up to go down today. We're thinking of coming up at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, because we're only 59 steps away, our accommodation. Enjoying
Yeah.
Yes?
Trying to not make a mess on my clothing. Or my new t-shirt.
Okay. Oh yes, there it is.
Custom-made t-shirt. Well, we're here for dinner on our reserved table. Buonasera. We've got some bread here.
It may not be Michael's homemade bread, but
I think it might be better than the one we had last week.
it's a Tuscan bread,
Tuscan bread.
and it's nice. Nice crust.
Saluti.
I think it's cheers to Rome on our first night. Cheers.
Cheers.
So, when in Roma, si mangia cacio e pepe. And it's pici is the pasta. Why? Because we're actually in a Tuscan restaurant in Rome, and pici is their pasta. It's just amazing. Absolutely amazing. Delicious.
Okay. Pasta alla carbonara. Let's give this a try. It looks good.
Smells good. And the verdict?
Very good. No complaints here.
Amazing.
Well, Mr. Seep, did you enjoy your dinner?
No, I didn't like it at all. It was terrible.
I didn't really like mine either. Oh,
I'm embarrassed to say that I ate it in about 3 minutes. I just scoffed it down. It was amazing. Amazing.
yes.
The music starts at 9, right?
Certainly was beautiful, I must say. Mamma mia.
So stay tuned for next week.
Yes.
We will show you what we got up to in Rome, because we just hit the streets running when we got here. But let's put our bags down.
Yep.
Pretty much
Out
left.
the door, yes.
and out the door.
Yep.
So,
So the next video we'll be hitting
we'll show you-
Rome.
yeah, we'll show you what we did in the 1.5 days that we had here to sort of unwind after our 24-hour flight.
Yes.
And then we're off to Tuscany.
Tuscany.
Okay.